Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a project share for you today. This is my entry, what I created for Patty, who is Mommy and Me Crafts here on YouTube and Instagram. And I made one swap and one for Patty. So you make one, you get one. So I only made two total. One for swap and one for Patty. Okay, so this is what my loaded tote, jelly tote is gonna look like. Where do I start? So my jelly tote I will share after I pull everything out of here. And I'll explain everything as I take it out. So this is what the other one looks like. It's almost exactly the same. Almost. So that's what they are. Yeah, so that's what the front looks like. And this is what the back looks like. I have this crocheted lips that I shared in another video. No tutorial, because I just followed a tutorial on YouTube. So let us get into the tote. Okay. First, we'll go with this one. Okay, this is one of those M&M candy containers. I picked this one up at Dollar Tree, and I put a sleeve on it and some stickers, some felt stickers, and then I put some bling on the heart. This is what it originally looks like. Had some Dollar Tree trim there and some tables. This is a table scatter, and I believe I got that at Dollar Tree also. So that's one. And then here is another item. This is a pen. I picked this up at Dollar Tree. If you've seen my previous videos, you'll recognize a lot of the things. So I got this one at Dollar Tree. There's some some felt stickers I added to the very front of this. And this little fidget is a spinner. It spins. And so that's a pen. The next thing I want to share are my candy hearts. These are the first item that I created. I used some cardboard, die cut out of a heart shape. Die cut a heart shape out of the cardboard. And then I just used the Dollar Tree yarn. There's 4 different colors that I had in my stash. Like a teal, a yellow, a pink, and purple. Hey, see what's going on here? The next thing I wanted to share is my chocolate box. So this is the KS Craft chocolate box. And the lips on here is KS Crafts. The moi is also from KS Crafts. These are Dollar Tree stickers. And then at the top, to open up this container or this box, is some Velcro. And then there's the chocolates inside. And I thought this was very cute and so shiny. So I shared that with you all earlier. The next thing I have are some Dollar Tree socks that I made into flowers. And it's just very simple. This is one pair. It's just, you know, separate the two and then you roll it up into a flower. So that's what I did with this one. Just a pair of socks. And then the next thing I made are these two KS Crafts banners. So there's several things on here that's KS Crafts. There's the KS Crafts, the cherries. They look like this. There's 3 sizes. And then the February, that's the recent words that I shared earlier in a previous video. And then some Dollar Tree stickers and some stickers from Hobby Lobby. And then some trim also from Dollar Tree. And then this little EXO is from another KS Craft die. And I shared these all in a previous video. So the next thing I want to share is the KS Crafts Heart Memdex. Is We Fit Perfectly. So it's like a broken heart. So I must confess, I made this last year, last Valentine's Day, and I kept it. You can see some gold stitching down there, some gold glitter paper in the background. And so yeah, I made this last year and it never went anywhere. I still had it in my stash. So I just stuck my little sticker on there. And I'm going to share that with her. The next thing I did was a Dollar Tree, some Dollar Tree glasses. Those are the pink glasses or shades. And then I just covered the packaging with some of the scrapbook paper. Put that bling on the very top. And then I made this little bow as my topper. I thought that was perfect. The next thing I made were some of these elastic bracelets. And these are just the Hobby Lobby beads. And then I just had those gold spacer beads in my stash. So these are the beads, just red hearts on white and then gold hearts on red. So I made her and my swap partner a set of stretchy bracelets. And then I made a shaker mix. And this is what it looks like. I just put my little steel on here. And I shared one of the shovels that I have in my stash. And this is a clothespin from Dollar Tree. It's a Rainbow Love. And I use that to create my my clothespin clip. This is the KS Crafts Lips die set that I used on the chocolate box. I added a heart from my stash. I hand stitched the outline of the lips. And then you just take that and put it right at the top. Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? Okay, so here is my tote. Now this tote is the gingerbread jelly tote from KS Crafts. And I covered up the face because I wanted to make it more Valentine's. And I got some hot glue here. It's kind of, okay, irritating. So I didn't line the inside because this paper is already very sturdy. So I left it plain. Sorry guys. All right, I added crocheted lips. These are crocheted by me. Added some felt to the back to make it a little more sturdy. And then I just crocheted on the top here of the handle. And this cardstock is a textured cardstock, so it has some texture to it. Oh, love-hate relationship with hot glue, boy, I tell you. Okay. It's very late, and I need to package this up so I could get this sent out. All right, so the front, I added my chain, added dangle here with a whole bunch of charms because I didn't make a charm or an embellishment box. So I added all the charms I wanted to share with my swap partner and Patty to the front. And these are just the Dollar Tree Jingle Bells. And I put decoupage on the jingle bell right on this one because the glitter like falls out. And then this was a white jingle bell and I didn't want the white, so I painted this with some of the paint in my stash. And then these are just a bunch of the embellishments that I wanted to share. So I just put it all on the chain and it just dangles there. Nice and cute. I love that little shoe right there. A little strawberry. And then I got the little XO over here, a little bow, and this jumbo heart gem. And then I used one of KS Crafts words, the Girl Gang. I just added that to the front. So yeah, so I'm just gonna package this up and then bag it so that it's all nice and secure. I forgot to share my stickers. I was supposed to grab some stickers to stick in here because I didn't do much embellishments. I made shaker mix. I made some little stretchy bracelets, and yeah, I didn't really do too many. So I feel like it's not enough. Oh, and I'm gonna stick this into their boxes. I mean, into their bags. So they get one each. All right, so I'm gonna wrap this up and I'll come back and show you what it looks like before I put it into the box. Okay, so I'll be right back. Guys, I have it all wrapped up. Yeah, so I use the extra large clear cellophane bag. I picked this up from Amazon, and I tied a bow on the front, added my little card for my swap partner, and added some extra goodies on the back. So yeah, I did the same for Patty's, except I put her name on the envelope so she knows it's for her. And yeah, that is it. I'm going to put this in a box and hopefully it fits. And try to get it out tomorrow morning, first thing in the morning. So thank you all for watching. If you're new here, welcome. Join our crafty family and subscribe to the channel. And while you're at it, hit the notification bell, and that will let you know when I load new videos like this or when I go live on my channel. Yeah, so thanks again, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.